Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly create new rune pages in the League of Legends. First of all, we have to go for the collection, then move for runes and click to create the new one. Let's select, for example, precision, and let's pick our favorite setup. Then click save, and also when you tap right here you can rename. So let's set this one, for example, for ADC. Then click enter, click save one more time and click X. As you can see, we quickly create the new rune page and also set the name for it. So that's how it looks. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.